Okay, so today we're here for the Avatar challenge. So since the new movie is gonna come out soon, we decided to transform ourselves into an avatar.
Okay, well,
So
let's do it. So this is what it looks like. Here you go.
It smells really bad.
Yeah, because this is done with latex, so it's not the nicest smell. Yeah.
No.
So what's really good with these kind of prosthetics, it's that it actually has movement, so it kind of feels like real ears. Because if you use those plastic ones, well, it looks a bit less natural.
Alright, so the final touches, you just make sure everything sticks to the ear, and then we're done.
I have two different ways that we're gonna do this. Oh, thank you. So I'm gonna use, some cream colors, and Eleanor is going to use
Some water paint.
Okay.
I'm just applying like the darker blue everywhere, and I'm gonna cool it down with the white after for on the central part of my face. But right now I'm just putting it everywhere.
So put it on my little palette, and then I'm gonna mix everything together to get my blue that I want. I like it. It's actually kind of a vibe.
We want to be a cute avatar, not just a Smurf avatar.
Let us know if you've ever done an avatar makeup before. We would love to see that.
What if we found ourselves some avatar name for ourselves?
Ooh, I like that idea. Okay.
I like it.
So, okay, how are you feeling when you look at you?
I feel like an Eleanor.
Eleanor Leary?
Eleanor.
Oh, okay.
Like Eleanor, but in the end it's just ear. Eleanor.
Well, great. She's basic, whatever.
I want to add sparkles.
You want to add sparkles? Ooh, okay.
Yeah, I want to try.
So you're on the darker side and on the sparkler side. Like that.
Exactly. Okay. Ooh, I like it.
Let's see.
Look.
Ooh,
Here.
cute.
It's
Cute.
really cute.
Makeup is a process. I actually really like it on you. Like, you should have been an avatar in life. Like, honestly.
Again, cast me. Call me.
For the third movie, she's waiting for your call.
In 2030.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, so now we're gonna put the lenses on.
Oh my god, she did so well. Let's see. You look amazing. You look even cuter.
Oh, thank you.
Are you guys ready? Let's go.
You close your eyes every time I try to...
Yeah, okay, I'm sorry. I'm usually good at this, but it's kind of scary.
Alright, that's not working.
Okay, I'm gonna try again. Okay, put it back in the...
Oh no, it's coming out.
It was in! It's not fair!
It was in. I saw it. It was in. Yeah, no, you're good. You're good. Yep.
Okay! Give me one too. Thank you. Ooh! Oh, I'm really happy. I was scared I wasn't gonna be able to do it. Yay! Okay.
Alright, so we're back with the whole shebang. The wigs, the accessories, the lenses. I think the lenses looks really cool.
Well, guys, listen, we're done for today. Hope you enjoyed it. I know that we sure did.
Yeah, I guess it would be really, really fun if you recreate this look for the movie, that you go to the theater with it. Don't hesitate to tag us on Beauty Studio. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Guys, we'll see you soon.
Okay, bye guys.
Bye!